Hi, so today we're going to make a basic website format in HTML. So we'll start with our HTML tags, just to let the computer know this is HTML. We're going to put a head tag here. Now what the head does is it stores information the user isn't going to see, but it's going to be important for a website. So for example, a title tag, if you see those things at the top of the web page where it has the bar with the name of the website or of the page that we're on, this is going to be the stuff contained within our title tag. So we could say my website home page. Then after that, we're going to have the body. And you're going to store divs in here. A div is just a row of information, essentially. So first row. Then we're going to have div second row. And on top here, if you want to really specify that something's going to be on top, you can just put a header tag. And usually you're going to want to have the same header on every page, which is a more complicated thing. Instead of copy and pasting it, you can add a separate file for that later. But we're going to start basic, and then we're going to have a footer at the bottom. So we can just have copyright this year, and then header. We're going to have an H1 tag that just makes the text bigger. My website. And that's going to be in big text. If you want to make it bold, you can put a bold tag, my website. Delete this right here. And here we go. This is a basic website format in HTML, and you can build on that as you see fit.